How many significant figures does 0.125 have? So 0. Totally we have 4 digit, but uh, among these 4 digits, these 1, 2 and 5 are significant. So totally we have 3 significant digit here. This 0 is not significant because this is a leading 0. Leading 0 means this 0 is just before the first non-zero digit. First non-zero digit is 1, and before this non-zero digit we have a 0 digit. So this is leading 0. Leading 0 is not significant, that is why it has 3 significant digits. Look at here, leading zeros, those to the left of the first non-zero digit, are not significant, they are just placeholder. So how many significant figure does 0.12 have? Just 3.